Well, hi, I'm Laurel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Morrocco Method natural henna hair color. To start, you'll need 2 non-metal mixing bowls, a non-metal mixing spoon, measuring cups and spoons, plastic wrap or a shower cap, latex gloves, and a towel or 2 you don't mind getting stained. First, pour your henna powder into the mixing bowl. A nice pinch of ginger or cinnamon gives the mixture a pleasant fragrance. Adding some apple cider vinegar or lemon juice will deepen your color, but keep in mind, the more you use of either one, along with intensified color, you may experience dryness in your scalp or hair. If you do decide to use lemon or vinegar, you'll need to factor in more time for the color to release properly in the mix. Slowly add 2 cups of black tea or warm water while stirring until your mixture has the consistency of thick yogurt. Make sure you do this little by little because you might not need to use the full 2 cups. Blending in a few drops of Morrocco Method Euro oil will help you achieve a smoother application, but use no more than 2 teaspoons or it'll prevent the color from saturating properly. Now, cover your bowl with plastic wrap and let it sit 2 to 4 hours to maximize coloring power. While that's happening, pour indigo powder into your other bowl and stir in enough distilled or filtered warm water to get the same thick yogurt consistency. When time's up, mix the henna and indigo paste. You can add a splash of warm water as needed to keep the consistency just right. It's very important at this time to use the mixture immediately. Our colorless, super conditioning, neutral henna doesn't require indigo, so you do your process and then you can leave this in your hair as long as you'd like, but never overnight. Likewise, the red henna. You skip the indigo, but only leave the red in your hair for 1 hour. If you're coloring with light blonde henna, a packet of combined cassia, marigold, and chamomile tea is provided, and we suggest you use that instead of adding black tea to the mix. Just steep it first, as you would any other tea. Once you've dabbed a bit of Euro oil on your ears and along the forward side of your hairline to prevent henna from staining your skin, quickly put on your gloves, pin a towel securely around your shoulders, and begin coating clean, dry hair with henna. Go from the roots to the very tips of your hair in small sections to ensure full coverage. Really work that henna into your hair to make sure every single strand gets covered. Enjoy the process. Channel your inner child. Remember what fun you had plunging your little hands into modeling clay or backyard mud. Sure you do. Then, once you're done, wrap your head with plastic or use a shower cap. For best results, fasten a towel or fabric cap over that to trap body heat and keep the henna moist and warm. Now, just relax for 1 to 4 hours, depending on how intense you want the color to be, but never leave it in overnight. Unwrap your hair and rinse only with water. Use Pearl Essence Cream Rinse or Morrocco Method Euro Oil to help with your rinsing, especially if you have thick hair. Don't shampoo for at least 24 hours following any henna treatment. Your full color will appear within 72 hours and it'll last anywhere from 8 to 12 weeks. Morrocco Method's Amla powder is a great addition to your coloring treatment. Just mix in 2½ tablespoons to help darken any shade, to prevent fading, cool down red tones, and add amazing body and shine to your hair. So, voila! Now that you know how to make a perfect application of Morrocco Method henna hair color, you can reapply it in 72-hour increments to enhance your results and maintain your beautiful new hair color. Happy hair days!